know you think like, what is so significant about water? Girl, it's gonna protect your mind while you sleep. Okay, bottom line. Make sure that you have a designated glass that you do this in, like you're not drinking out of it, nobody else is using. This is just for you and your water work that you're gonna do, okay? All you need is just a glass. It can be any glass jar, any type of water, faucet water, whatever. And you're just gonna fill this up and keep it by your bed. Like you can put it on your nightstand, not like on the floor, but like on your nightstand. If you feel like you want to put it on the floor, you can, but I said a nightstand. And this is just a way to protect the mind while you're sleeping, because believe it or not, the devil cannot come through water. I don't care what you think, what you say. I said it. He can't come through water. I don't know what it is about water. He can't come through this. So yeah, if you're having like nightmares, you can't remember your dreams and stuff like that. I'm gonna also put a song right here too to help you if you're having difficulty remembering your dreams. But this will block all that out, so you'll be able to sleep. Nightmare, take care of that. You're good, because the devil can come, he come through your dreams too. You just have to know the difference. So yeah, just keep this, and you can change it out weekly. Some people tie a red ribbon around it. I don't do it. They want the extra protection, but this is enough right here. So yeah, it's just gonna it just keeps the devil out. That's it. So yeah, y'all use that. And if y'all have used this, or I'm sure y'all might know about it, let me know below how y'all use it. Don't forget, go check out the website. Go shop for all your spiritual needs. Bath oils, soaps, different candles for all different types of situations. And yeah, until next time, y'all stay blessed and highly favored.